Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting the water supply, turn both shutoff valves fully clockwise, then open the tap to bleed lines. Once done, place a bucket and towel under the fittings to catch residual water. This prevents a mess. Now reach under the sink with a basin wrench and loosen the hot and cold supply nuts. Make sure to support the faucet body above while you undo the nuts so it doesn't drop. This protects the counter and gives you space to work. After the supply lines are off, use the basin wrench to remove the mounting nut or plate securing the faucet. You'll lift the old tap straight up. If it's stuck, gently pry around the base to break the seal. Clean the deck area thoroughly, scraping away old putty and mineral deposits. A clean surface ensures a leak-free seal. Inspect supply line threads and valve seats for damage. Once cleaned, fit the new gasket, or plumber's putty as manufacturer recommends. Before dropping the replacement, set the new faucet in place and tighten the mounting nut evenly so the faucet sits flush. Don't over-tighten, which can crack porcelain or warp soft counters. Reattach supply lines using thread seal tape if metal threads are exposed. Hand start, then snug with a wrench. Turn shutoff valves on slowly and watch for leaks at the base and connections. Finally, run hot and cold for a minute to clear debris and then recheck all joints. If a leak appears, tighten.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.